Welcome back to another quick guide. Today, we'll walk you through how to send a big file through email. Sending a big file through email can be tricky, since most email providers, including Gmail, have attachment size limits, usually at 25 MB. Here's how you can send large files easily. Open your email app. Open Gmail, Outlook, or any email app you use. So for this, I'll choose Gmail. Tap Compose to start a new email. Enter the recipient's email address, subject, and message. Check the file size. If your file is under 25 MB, you can attach it normally. If it's over 25 MB, you'll need to use a cloud service. Upload the file to Google Drive or another cloud storage. Open Google Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, or a similar service. So for this, I'll choose the Google Drive app. So tap on the plus button on the bottom right, then tap Upload, and choose your large file, then hit Select in the top right. Get the shareable link. Once uploaded, tap on the three dots, then tap on the file, and choose Share. Then tap on Manage Access, tap on Change, tap on Restricted, and change the sharing settings to anyone with the link can view. Paste the link into your email. Copy the file link by tapping the copy link in the top right and paste it into your email message. Review and send the email. Go ahead and double check the recipient, message, and attachment link. Tap Send to deliver the email. This method lets you send files of any size without worrying about email limits. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.